I would like to talk about how to help your friend with her or his Android mobile device from distance. In this case, first of all, I have to tell my friend to download TeamViewer on her mobile. So in this example, imagine these two devices are not together. So first of all, you have to tell her to go to Play Store to download application in her device. Imagine on the left hand side is friend's device. On the right hand side is my device. I always have this TeamViewer application on my mobile because many times I help my friends. First of all, your friend have to search for Play Store. In this device is here. So she has to press on Play Store. And here she has to search for TeamViewer. After write Team, T-E-A-M, you can see many choices. So go to TeamViewer Quicksupport. Tick on Install. Tick on here, Next. Tick here, Skip, and wait for a while. TeamViewer Quicksupport is installing. It's finished. You can open TeamViewer's Quicksupport from here. But we need another one too. I click here to search for another one. This one, the second one, TeamViewer. Press on it and then press on Install. TeamViewer is installing. TeamViewer is now on my friend's mobile. So we can open it. We are going out from Google Play, so press out. So this one, Quicksupport. My friend needs help. She has to click on Quicksupport. I have Quicksupport and TeamViewer on my mobile. My friend has Quicksupport and TeamViewer on her device. In this case, my friend needs help. She has to press on Quicksupport. I'm ready to help. I have to click on TeamViewer. So I will press now Quicksupport on my friend's device. She has to click on Agree and Continue. She has to scroll this until she sees this one. Finish or ready to use, I think. Then she has to press on this one. You will see this window pop up. You have to press on Download. I will take the first one which comes after you click on Download. And then I will press on Install. If you have a different device, maybe the add-on is the different name. If you see this is finished, so you press out from Google Play. So ID of my friend's device will appear here. This ID, she has to tell me. So on my device, I will click on TeamViewer. So I will provide her ID on my device. After that, I will press here, this one. And then my friends will receive a window pop-up. So press on Allow. Okay, I can see everything from her device. So this is the way how to help your friends with his or her device. Thank you for watching.